What's up, you guys? So today I thought I would show a brief skincare review of pH in Lab. So I've never tried their skincare products and I thought, why not share them? I have their cleanser, their moisturizer, and their mask. Now this is a 3-step process that you use to cleanse your skin, get it clean. So I'm going to show you that. I have a bad eye infection, a sty that's healing, so don't mind that. But yeah, we'll get started. I'm going to use a facial cloth to cleanse my skin. I don't have much makeup on, but I figure it's easier than just like me having to go and wash my face and like go to the sink here. So yeah, how are you guys doing? It's a beautiful day here. So I thought, why not share? I haven't tried this brand and I'm super duper intrigued because it's like a pH balanced skincare system, which is actually like super highly effective. So yeah, you basically cleanse, then you treat with the moisturizer, and then restore with the mask, which normally I do a mask before a moisturizer, so this is kind of a weird process, but it's made in Canada, which is cool. And yeah, I use this AM or PM, apply 1 to 2 pumps onto wet skin, and remove dirt or oil. So I love the packaging. It's like neon, and this is a huge cleanser bottle. It's 120 mils, and it's for all skin types. So it looks like this. So I'm just going to pump a little bit on. Normally I would wash, using water here, but I like skincare pumps like this because they are just way better for cleansers, and instead of like dipping your fingers in and getting more bacteria. So I don't have too much makeup here, but I'm just going to remove, I don't know, what I do have on my skin. It's like a super light scent, and it feels like a cream cleanser, not a gel cleanser. But it's super nice, like, and smooth on my skin, especially like since I've been like hot and sweaty outside, gross all day. So this is like nice, and I've applied like makeup, reapplied because I went out. So this is just nice to remove all that. Yeah, it barely has a scent, so for people who don't like scents or say are sensitive, this would be great. I like that. Okay, then we put the moisturizer on, which is kind of weird to me because like, why would you do that? And then a mask, but I guess so. This is step 2. Which I guess you would normally do a moisturizer, but if you're supposed to do this 3-step process, it's kind of weird. You wouldn't do the mask, then the moisturizer. But I think this mask has like added benefits of moisture anyway. And oh, it's an overnight mask. Okay, that makes sense. That is cool. So you put it once a week. Okay. So I put this on the other day and I thought you had to wash it off, but that actually makes sense. So let's put it on. I love the mask. Like, I love the scent of it. Like, it's this like nice, it just smells super fresh. And again, like, all the products aren't too oily. They're all made in Canada. Like, look how glowy my skin looks. Ooh, I love that. Especially since like I'm going on hikes and stuff, like my skin has been getting drier kind of. And I'm trying to like make sure it doesn't burn. Awesome. So I'm going to use this for a couple of weeks and I will share my update, but I really like this mask. Like, it's super moisturizing, lightweight. All the products feel lightweight skincare. Like, it doesn't feel like I have heavy stuff on my skin. It doesn't have a too heavy of a scent, which is great. It's made in Canada, great ingredients, and I'm very particular about that. And you get a lot of products. So I will give an update in a couple of weeks and yeah, kind of show my full skincare routine with this as well. But we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.